Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Masha and Rosie. Let's start drawing. First I'm going to draw Masha. To start, I'm going to draw her eyes. Her nose and her smiling mouth with cute teeth. She looks so happy. I draw her hair. Now I'm going to draw her head with a scarf on it. Okay. Let's start drawing her body. I draw her 2 arms and her hand. Now let's draw Rosie. I draw her eyes. She is a little pig who is often forced to play with Masha. She forces her to dress like a baby. Then I draw a baby hat around her head. And a pacifier in the mouth. How cute! I draw her body. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color Masha first. Now I use this cream color for her skin. Then I'm going to use 2 shades of green for her eyes. For her mouth, I use 3 different shades of red. And her hair with this yellow marker. With some light brown streaks on it. I use this marker for her clothes. How cute! Light blue. Now let's color Rosie. Color her skin with pink. For the baby hat, I use light blue. For the pacifier, I use fuchsia and yellow, green, blue, light purple, and I add a little green in the background. Great! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.